will be showing you how you can download your Adobe Premiere Pro for free right here on this particular video. So as you can see right now, if you want to download Adobe Premiere Pro, they will charge you this particular amount right here every month, and in annually you will actually pay this particular amount just to get Adobe Premiere Pro, and in every blessed month you will be paying this amount of money. So if you want to download Adobe Pro without you not paying any money at all, watch this video to the end so I can actually show you how you can download Adobe Premiere Pro right here on this particular video. So all what you just need to do is just for you to go ahead and smash that subscribe button and make sure you like this specific video. So let's begin. Go straight to this video description. You find the link to this particular place right here where it says Adobe Premiere Pro updown.com. So go ahead and click on the link. You find yourself right here on this particular place right now. All what you just need to do right here is just for you to go ahead and follow the steps I'm going to show you right now. Before I actually go ahead and show you what exact thing that you need to know concerning this download of Adobe Premiere Pro right here on this particular video, let me go ahead and show you some review right here on this particular up-down site that you can use to download Adobe Premiere Pro right here. So go ahead and click on review right here. You can see a lot of people that have actually reviewed this particular Adobe Premiere Pro, and you too can testify after you have downloaded this Adobe Premiere Pro right here. Now that you have watched the particular review on this Adobe Premiere Pro, this Adobe Premiere Pro actually has 1.1 million downloads right here. So if you want to download your Adobe Premiere Pro, you can use this website right here. It is free, no charge at all. They will not charge you any money. If you also want to download this Adobe Premiere in your smartphone or in any of your iPhone at all, you can actually go ahead and do it right here on this particular website. So click on this particular place right here, select the kind of device that you are using, then go ahead and download it right there. And if you scroll down right here, just as I'm scrolling down right now, you will actually see a lot of other Adobe software right here on this particular place. So look at all the software similar to Adobe Premiere Pro right here that you can actually download just for free right here. But listen, Adobe Premiere Pro particularly don't have anything free version, but you can actually go ahead and be using free trial right here. So if you download Adobe Premiere Pro in any particular website at all, you must actually have a free trial. Okay, you must use the 7 days free trial, and after 7 days you need to pay money for it. So you can actually go ahead and hit on download right here so that you can download the latest version right here from this particular platform. So now go ahead and scroll down right here so that you can actually see the particular place that you can need to hit download right here. So go ahead and hit download right now. You can actually see that yes, it's about to download straight to your computer right now. Okay, you can actually look at it right here where it says Adobe Premiere Pro version 1.5 right here, and the thing right here is application right now. So go ahead and click on save right here so that you can save the Adobe Premiere Pro software into your computer. So look at it right here, it's actually downloading right now. So after I successfully download this Adobe Premiere Pro from this particular website I actually show you right here, you can actually go ahead and smash that like button and make sure you share this video to your loved ones, and go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Okay, so you can also download this Adobe Premiere Pro on the official website just like this right here, but you need to sign up an account first before you can be able to download it on the official website right here. So just follow the steps that I actually show you and follow the instructions that I actually give to you so that you can be able to install Adobe Premiere Pro in your computer or in your PC or in your laptop. So now that you know all this, let me end this video right here. Bye bye for now. Peace out.